Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the MikaChip Emulator device. But first, let me quickly explain what this device is designed for. The MikaChip Emulator helps save you money by reducing the printing costs on your Mimaki printers. It works by replacing the original ink chips, which normally lock your printer to using only expensive, branded ink. With the emulator, you're free to use any compatible ink, skip annoying expiration date issues, and make sure you use every drop of ink, no more waste. So if that sounds like a good deal, stick around and I'll walk you through how it works. Step 1. Download and install the software first. Download the software and the required ink data files using the link we've provided. Once downloaded, unzip the installation files and run the installer. Just follow the prompts and choose your preferred installation folder. Step 2. Activate the software. To use the MikaChip Emulator, you'll need to activate the software. Here's how. Launch the program. Click on the Help menu, then go to the License sub-menu. A window will pop up showing your software serial ID. Copy that code and email it to us along with your order number. You'll usually receive your activation key within 6 to 24 hours, but often much sooner. Once you get the code, enter it into the license key field, click OK, and restart the program. That's it. Your software is now activated and ready to use. Step 3. Connect and load ink data to the emulator. Now it's time to connect your MikaChip Emulator to your computer and load the ink data. Use the provided programming cable and plug it into a USB port on your PC. Open Device Manager to check that the drivers were installed correctly. If not, don't worry. I'll show you how to install them at the end of the video. Once in Device Manager, look for the COM port assigned to the programming cable. Make a note of it. Now, connect your MikaChip Emulator to the cable. Open the software and select the correct COM port from the drop-down menu, the one you noted earlier. Click Connect, then press Check MikaChip Data. You should now see the data currently stored on the emulator. To load a new ink data file, click Open Data File and browse to the folder containing your file. Select the file and click Open. Once the data appears in the box below, press Load to Emulator. Wait a few minutes while the data transfers. Once complete, unplug the emulator and install it in your printer's ink chip slot. That's it, you're ready to print. Troubleshooting tips. If you run into driver issues, you might see an unrecognized device in Device Manager. To fix this, download the drivers using the provided link. Unzip the files and run the installer. After installation, repeat the connection steps as normal. Another common issue, after pressing Check MikaChip Emulator, no data appears. This might mean the emulator isn't connected properly, the drivers weren't installed, or you selected the wrong COM port. Double check everything and you should be good to go. That's it. As you can see, using the MikaChip Emulator is simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or leave a comment below.